Main and beam flange properly docked as mark. Install the positioning pin. Mounting ball. Bolt anti-loosening mark. Install card bumper. Car limit switch parts. Car limit switch installation. Cable basket base installation. Cable frame installation. Please refer to the random drawings for the arrangement of the slide bracket, and curve pallet. Slide bracket installation. Electrical box bracket installation. For the installation of the electrical box, please refer to the random drawings. Slide suspension clip. Slide installation. Slide connecting part slide docking installation. Slide bracket sealing. For slide position adjustment, please refer to the random drawings. Cable trolley parts. Cable trolley and cable installation. Traction pulley parts, traction pulley and cable installation. Cable pulley and chute installation, fixed tail car installation. Cable pulley and chute installation, fixed tail car installation. Traction wire rope installation. Line cord installation. Electric hoist adjustment. Electric hoist installation. Car conductive frame installation. The cable is connected to the electric box of the cart. Hoist conductive frame installation. The cable is connected to the hoist electrical appliance. Power on practice run.